I'm going to show you how to tape a sheet of canvas paper to a board in a way where you'll be able to paint all the way to the edges of your canvas. You'll notice that your canvas has a front side and a back side. The front side is brighter and rougher, while the back side is darker and softer. This is because this canvas is pre-gessoed on the front, which just means that they primed it and it's all ready for you to paint on. Place your canvas on your board with its back side facing up. Grab your tape and imagine that there's a line running through the middle of your tape the long way. One side is going to cover an edge of the canvas and the other side is going to cover the board. Your imaginary line should line up right where your canvas and board meet. Tape it down, run your hand across to smooth out the wrinkles, and then go on to the next one. Do this for all 4 sides. Once all 4 sides are done, just peel your canvas up, flip it over, and now the tacky side of the tape and the front side of your canvas are both facing up. Center it on the board, smooth out the wrinkles. Get a new piece of tape and match its edge with the edge of the canvas while sticking it to both the upside down piece of tape and the board. So now this time, that imaginary line should align where the board and the upside down piece of tape meet. A good tip is to hover the tape over where you want it to go and check both ends a few times, then stick it down. Once you stick 2 pieces of tape together, it's pretty much impossible to remove, so you want to try to place it down in the position that you want the first time. The tape is really nice because you can see right through it and you'll be able to see exactly where to place it. Canvas paper is relatively cheap, so it's great for beginners. It can be rolled and mailed out easily. I used Frederick's brand here, but there are other brands. It's 18 by 24, my foam board was 20 by 30. It can be a little tricky and it takes some practice, but give it a try.